You just love it when you want to put on a necklace and that's what you have to deal with. Hello people! So today's video is going to be another get ready with me. I've done a lot of these recently, but here we are doing another one. I love watching get ready with me's, and I like filming them as well because I do like to switch up my makeup sometimes, and I like watching these, so I always like to see what products people are using quite a lot and what they love. And I feel like when you see get ready with me's and when people do get ready with me's, you kind of see what people love the most. So anyway, I did a nice kind of like pink springy kind of makeup look, I guess, and I just kind of wanted it to go with my top because it's obviously pink. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look, of course. So I hope you enjoy this get ready with me. I'm just going out for dinner and stuff. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this whole makeup look and get ready with me as well, of course, make sure you are subscribed and also give the video a thumbs up as well. Let's go. So if my body is looking a bit glowy and a bit bronzed, I use this HiGlow body bronzer. I think it's from Rochelle Hulmes, and yeah, it has a nice tint to it and it's very glowy, so I just use that all over the body. So for makeup, I'm just priming my skin with the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I've been obsessed with this at the minute. It just makes my skin look really nice. Then I'm just using the Flower Beauty elixir, the Celestial Skin elixir, and I'm kind of using this as like a liquid highlight, but it's obviously not a liquid highlight, but it's just very hydrating and glowy for the skin, and that's what I wanted today. Then moving on to foundation, I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm pretty sure my shade is Natural Beige, but I'll leave it in the description box anyway. Then I'm just blending that out with my sponge, of course. Then I used the Born This Way concealer, and that face was just me seeing a wasp outside. Then I'm just blending that out with my brush as always, and I really liked how the foundation and the concealer looked together. I never used those two together, but I liked it. Then, do I need to explain what loose powder I'm using? But I'm just using that all under my eyes to set the face, and I didn't take it around all of my face, I just wanted it mainly under my eyes. Then just switching up to the eyes, I just combed through my brows as you can see, and then I'm just obviously filling in my brows with my BH brow pencil. And I struggled today because I ended up having breakouts in my eyebrows, which, there you go, I just was not impressed with that. Then I just combed through my brows again and just added some brow gel. This one is by Colourpop. Then, of course, I'm using my P.Louise eyeshadow base to prime the lids for eyeshadow. Then for eyeshadow, I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm just taking the white kind of brow bone highlight, I guess, and I'm using that obviously on my brow bone and then to highlight the inner corners as well. Then I'm taking the pink from the palette and just blending that all into the crease. And yeah, I then realised that I had brown eyeshadow on that brush, so then I got a clean brush and then just used that pink all into the crease. And I added this pretty much everywhere and obviously dragged it onto the lower lash line as well. I didn't really use that many different eyeshadow shades, but yeah, I just put this everywhere basically. Then for all over the lid, I took the Colourpop Supernova shadow. This one's in the shade Constellation. It's quite glittery, but it's got a bit of a pink tint to it, so I just added this all over the lid and I loved how it looks. Then once it dried, I went back in with that pink just to add into the crease again. Then I took this shimmery pink from the palette and I started to add that to kind of deepen up the outer corner, but then I also added the matte dark pink that's, I think it's above it in the palette. I didn't show it because I'm great at life, but that's what I did anyway. And then obviously I dragged that onto the lower lash line as well, just on the outer parts of the eye. Then I'm just adding some eyeliner. This one is the Colourpop gel liner in the shade Swerve. It's just a black one. Then I used a liquid liner. This is the Maybelline Master Precise, but it's the brown one. And I actually really like this. It just didn't look too intense. I didn't do a wing or anything because
I can't do wings. But yeah, I just added this on the top lash line and it looks very nice. Very nice for spring, not too intense. So yeah, love that. This part's pretty self-explanatory, so there's that. Then I just added my mascara. This is a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Fave, as always. Then back to the skin, I just added some bronzer. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold one. It has a nice sheen to it, so gotta love that. And I just added that obviously around my face and then forehead as well. And we gotta get those chins, get that neck. And then I just contoured. I just added this. This is the Makeup Geek Tawny bronzer, but I just added it to contour kind of like the hollows of the cheekbones. Then I just added some blush. This is the Becca one in the shade Flower Child, I think. Yeah, it's Flower Child, and I love this. It's very shimmery as well. Love it. Then I just set my face. I used the Catrice setting spray, but also used the Body Shop Mandarin mist as well, and then obviously dried my face. Then to highlight, I used the Morphe High Impact Highlight in Spark. I'm obsessed with this. It's so good. And then for lips, I used the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Bel Air, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I think it is Bel Air. And then I just tapped it out with my finger. And then here's some nice awkward poses for you. Cool. That is the end of the video. I don't know why I just said it like that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me and liked this makeup look that I did. I actually did my hair for once as well. Like, I don't know if you can even see it or tell, but I curled it. I actually used a curler. I didn't just plait it and leave it like I usually do because I'm so lazy with hair and just can't be bothered. But yeah, I thought I'd actually put some effort in today, so this is what my effort looks like. If you enjoyed today's video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure that you are subscribed as well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.